Hey YouTube, this is your girl Lana coming at you guys with another video. Today is Sunday and this is going to be my weekly recap for last week. Sorry I didn't get this out Saturday, but I've been kind of busy, so I just wanted to get this out anyway. So as you can see, this is everything that I picked up last week, which was the 15th through the 28th, I believe. And so I'm not going to really break it down for you, but I'll just tell you what I got. I got 10 of the Up and Up paper towels from Target for free. I got the foam scrubber for free. I went to Rite Aid and did the gum deal. That was all free. Moneymaker. Went to Walgreens and I did 2 of the Tylenols, some cookies, some Cheez-Its, and then I did the Tilex and the Cordade. And went to CVS and I did the L'Oreal deal again. I did the Old Spice deal and the Right Guard deal. And I did the U by Kotex, the Revlon, some of the Blistex deals, and the Clips gum. And then I went to Kroger and I did the Cool Touch deal that they had. Buy 10 participating items, get $5 off instantly. And I did 2 of the Kingsford charcoals, and that was completely free. Yeah, so I was really excited about that. So this is everything that I bought this week. Out of pocket, I spent a total of $9, and most of it was from CVS, which I used gift cards, so that didn't really come out of my pocket. But yeah, with all the coupons and everything, my subtotals were $9. And I have a total savings of $233.52. So if anyone was to go in the store on, last week and pick up any of these items without the coupons, that's how much they would have ended up paying. So I did really, really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will come at you guys right back with my CVS haul that I did today. So guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Bye.